Here she is, the beautiful America, Port of San Diego, permanent home base. Taking people for sunset sail every day. This boat clips along at 12-13 knots. It's quite the thrill being on the America here in San Diego with spectacular weather. Able to use this boat year round. Unlike some places that have seasons, San Diego is pretty much 12 months of the year. And we are on the America, and we are about to install a beautiful 30-inch museum quality scale model of this magnificent famous yacht into the salon of the America there for folks, guests on board to have a look. Maybe purchase online at our website, stars-stripes.com. Very pretty. Hey, there we go. Beautiful 30-inch model of the America. Installed in place. The bridal suite of the Yacht America in San Diego. Guests can come down here and have a look and see if they would like to purchase one of these beautiful models. Stars-stripes.com. This is the 30-inch version. Comes with a beautiful plexi and polished timber case. Quite a showpiece for any living room.